Hi guys, this is Josh Tech here, and for today's videos, I'm going to show you on how to change the watch face of your Soundpeats Watch 2. Let's go! Hey you guys, this is Josh here and welcome back to our channel. And for today's video guys I'll be showing you the way on how to change the watch face of your Soundpeats 2. So guys, if you are an iPhone user, so you have to download Soundpeats Live. So this is the application actually. And after that, you have to download and turn on your Bluetooth. Yes, and also your locations. Turn our location guys. Okay, and after that, we're going to click on Add Device. Okay, so it has detected our Soundpeats Watch 2. Let's wait for a moment. Okay, and receipt of mobile phone binding request. So that's pair that one. And tap on Allow. And guys, in our Soundpeats Live app, there is dial settings here. So just kindly tap on that one. And you can choose which kind of watch you want. So you have the online watch dial or also the custom watch dial. So you can just download guys to which kind of watch face you want. So let's try to download this one here. Okay, this smart and fresh, and just tap on sync dial. Okay. So it says here synchronizing. Okay guys, so it's now successful. So look at our Soundpeats Watch 2. The watch face, it's already changed. Now you can also customize the watch face. Just tap on custom dial and let's tap on select picture. One here. Okay, that's my face, and tap on complete. And you can change the font color, so it's all up to you. Alright, so let's just wait for a bit, and voila. Okay, so as you can see guys, our Soundpeats watch 2 custom watch face is done. Okay, so it's just very easy guys. If you have any questions, just comment down below, and if you like this video guys, kindly click the thumbs up and also consider subscribing to our channel. So don't forget to hit the notification bell for you to be updated of our latest uploads. Okay, so once again, this is Josh, and I will see you on our next video.